Welcome to this video on the Lorentz force and Fleming's rules, the foundational laws governing electrical motion. This is an essential guide for students, engineers, and technicians. These physical laws translate invisible electromagnetic interactions into tangible physical work, powering modern civilization through devices like electric motors. The spark of motion explores how these invisible electromagnetic interactions result in the physical work that drives our world. The Lorentz force law is the mathematical heart of every electric motor. The force exerted on a conductor is defined by the magnetic field, current, length, and the sign of the angle between the current and the magnetic field. The Lorentz force is the interaction of two magnetic fields. The magnetic field from the current-carrying wire distorts the external permanent magnetic field. This distortion creates high and low pressure zones, similar to two repelling magnets, which literally pushes the wire away from the high-density magnetic area. Fleming's left-hand rule, or the motor rule, is a simple mnemonic. The first finger points to the magnetic field, the second finger to the current flow, and the thumb indicates the direction of motion or force. This rule is a crucial part of the technician's toolkit. It helps in predicting rotation, troubleshooting reverse spin by identifying current or field polarity issues, and ensuring safety during the commissioning of high-torque industrial drives. The technician's toolkit summarizes the practical applications of Fleming's left-hand rule for predicting rotation, troubleshooting, and enhancing safety. The Lorentz force is directly proportional to the current and the field strength. Doubling either of these doubles the force. The force also depends on the sign of the angle between them. This slide visually demonstrates how changing physical parameters scales the output force, illustrating the direct proportionality to current and magnetic flux. To achieve industrial power, the Lorentz force is scaled by using long copper wires and high current power supplies. This generates the massive torque needed for heavy machinery and high-speed trains. Scaling the Lorentz force maximizes industrial power by maximizing the length of the conductor and the current supplied to create the required torque. Fleming's rules drive our everyday dynamics. Appliances like blenders and ceiling fans rely on tiny conductors interacting in magnetic fields to perform mechanical work. These invisible helpers bring convenience to modern life. For instance, the interaction between magnets and current in a fan creates the necessary lift and rotation. AI and finite element analysis, or FEA, are used in modern motor design. AI models optimize geometry to minimize heat and maximize torque, enabling highly efficient electric vehicles. Directional control allows us to reverse the motor's spin by swapping the current phase or reversing the magnetic field. Reversing both at the same time results in no change to the rotation direction.